In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to roll back WordPress and undo WordPress updates. This can be incredibly useful if you've encountered issues after updating a plugin, theme, or WordPress itself. Let's dive in. First, before making any changes, it's crucial to have a complete backup of your WordPress site. This includes your files and your database. A reliable backup ensures that if anything goes wrong during the rollback process, you can restore your website to its previous state without losing any data. You can use plugins like Updraft Plus or Duplicator to make a comprehensive backup. After ensuring you have a backup, we can start the rollback process. The quickest way to go back to a previous version of WordPress is to use the WP Rollback plugin. To install this, navigate to your WordPress dashboard, go to the Plugins section, click on Add New, and search for WP Rollback. Once you find it, click Install Now, and then activate the plugin. It allows you to easily downgrade any of your plugins or themes to a previous, more stable version. With WP Rollback activated, you'll see a new rollback option on your installed plugins and themes pages. To roll back, say, a specific plugin, go to the Plugins section in your dashboard, locate the plugin you need to roll back, and click the rollback link that appears beneath it. You'll be presented with a list of previous versions from which you can choose. Select the one you wish to roll back to and click the Rollback button. WP Rollback will handle the process for you, reverting the plugin to the version you have selected. Rolling back WordPress core files is a bit more complex and should be done with caution, as downgrading WordPress can sometimes lead to potential security risks or compatibility issues. If you're encountering issues with a core update, consider using a more extensive backup plugin that allows you to perform full site restores, or access your hosting provider's backup services. If you're comfortable handling files directly, you can manually restore your site to a previous version. This involves downloading the older version of WordPress from the official WordPress release archive, accessing your site via FTP, deleting the existing WP admin and WP includes directories, and replacing them with the ones from the version you've downloaded. Be sure not to touch the WP content folder, as it contains all your themes and plugins. Once you've completed the rollback process, test your website thoroughly to ensure everything is working correctly. Sometimes, additional tweaks may be required to fix any lingering issues or restore particular functionalities. Taking a proactive approach can help mitigate these concerns, and being cautious around future updates is always beneficial. That's it for today's lesson. Rolling back WordPress updates can seem daunting, but with the right tools and a careful approach, it's entirely manageable. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.